Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? In today's video I'm going to be doing rice and stew mukbang, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave a comment for me, guys. Beautiful comment for that. Okay, stay tuned and watch me to the end, guys. And please, one more thing, in this rice I have my turkey and chicken, and that I used you to cover it, guys. I'm sorry. So guys, watch to the end, guys. Love you. And guys, I want to tell you something. This rice that I'm eating now was not made by me, guys. Actually, I got tired yesterday and my husband just helped me to cook. And I like it when he cook, guys. He actually cook more than me. I don't want to lie. He cook more than me, guys. Sorry about the noise in the background. My son is watching cartoon. Oh my god. If you ask me my favorite food, I will tell you rice. I like rice, guys. Rice and stew. I can use rice and stew for 1 week and won't get tired. Also with noodles, guys, Indomie. I can also eat that for 1 week and won't get tired. It's beginning to make noise, guys. I'm sorry I did not invite you. I'm really sorry. I'm inviting you guys. Come and join me. Let's dive into this food together. Although sometimes when I'm eating, I forget to invite even my husband myself because I don't joke with food. Oh my god, my baby is beginning to make noise. Ooh. One more thing, guys, I don't like eating and be drinking water because I will get filled. My belly will just lose the appetite, so I just like to continue eating. Then afterward, you can take water or any other thing like Monts, Coca-Cola, beer. I love this stew. This man can cook. Come on, Jeremy. Take a bite. This is the turkey, guys. This is the turkey. I know it's hot. Oh my God. Alex, can you keep quiet? think I'm full. Let me just start and finish it. And let's look at the music. This is what they say. Are you okay? Yeah. Can you give up now? No, I don't want to give up. Baby, stop. Okay. It's finished. The food is finished. Oh my God. Food is finished, guys. Now, time to drink water. Ooh. Don't splash on me, water. Excuse me. Oh my God. That was a heavy blow. Guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up for me. Share this video among your friends and family, and also please subscribe. Support me, please. Support me and turn on the notification bell. God bless you as you do that. See you in my next video, and stay safe, guys. Stay really safe. I love you. Bye.